7 reasons to learn Python. Python is great for beginners. It has a very large community. It provides exciting career opportunities and can be used for everything from web development to AI and ML. We'll talk about Raspberry Pi and of how Python is for both startups and corporates. Python has a simple syntax which in turn increases productivity programming in Python. It is great for beginners and easy to pick up. This is also because it appears to be a bit like the English language, and because it has a simple syntax, it is more readable. This is why it is used as an introductory language in schools and universities, so students get exposure to the art of programming in an easy and exciting way. Python is great for rookies. Python is open source. Its source code is freely available to the public. It also has powerful libraries, modules, and packages for everything from image manipulation to data analysis. Python has a very large community that is constantly contributing to its improvement. Python has the 5th largest Stack Overflow community. It is the 4th most used language on GitHub, and it has the 3rd largest meetup community. Python certainly has everyone talking. Python offers many exciting career opportunities. If you know Python, you can be on the way to becoming a Python developer, a data scientist, and so much more. Although it has been observed that Swift defeats Python and Ruby to provide the highest paying jobs. Python has many powerful web frameworks as well. Of these, Flask and Django are very commonly used, and many social media giants like Instagram and Pinterest are built on Django or make use of it. With frameworks like SciPy and NumPy, Python is a great choice for AI, machine learning, and deep learning. This one is what intrigues students and gets them started in the world of programming early on. Raspberry Pi is a microcomputer the size of a credit card. You can use it for a lot of DIYs and making robots, arcade machines, remote controlled toys, and even cameras. Now, because Python is concise and simple, powerful and expressive, unique and general purpose, it is a good choice for startups. But unicorns like Google, NASA, and Walt Disney use it too. So that's 7 reasons to learn Python and build a career in it. Do you have more to add? I'm Ayushi Sharma. Let's talk in the discussion forum.